Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected audience, today I would like to speak briefly about the unmatched and infinite power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah ta'ala is the creator of the heavens and the earth and everything in between. His power is beyond human comprehension. He simply says, be and it is. Nothing happens in this universe without His permission. From the movement of the stars to the falling of a leaf, everything is under His control. Allah's power isn't limited by time, space, or matter. He is all-knowing, all-seeing, and all-hearing. He knows what is hidden in our hearts and what is yet to come. He is the one who gives life and causes death. He can sense any situation in an instant. In the Holy Quran, Allah Ta'ala says, Inna Allah ala kulli shayin qadir. Indeed, Allah Ta'ala is over all things competent. This verse alone is a reminder that no matter how difficult our lives may become, turning to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and trusting His power brings peace and hope. Let us always remember the greatness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and seek His help in all matters of our lives.